Let me start by introducing you to Gabriel Henrique. Gabriel Henrique is a Brazilian singer and amazing singer. He sings original songs, he sings covers, he sings in English language, he sings in Portuguese, he sings in Arabic, he sings in many languages. Okay, he doesn't speak most of these languages, but his hard work precedes him. So I feel like introducing him to you. If you're seeing this for the first time, please check out Gabriel Henrique. Yes, he has a lot of songs on my page. I reacted to a lot of it because it's amazing. All right, now I'm about to react to Fly Like a Bird. And this is a cover to Mariah Carey. And I want you to know that it is only somebody like this, a guy, that can react to Mariah in such an awesome way. I have not seen this song, but I already know what to expect because I have a lot of covers he has done of Mariah. So now I'm about to see this and get amazed one more time. Let's go and check it out. Do you think I'm lying? Let's check it out.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. We know my heart is springing free of all.
Okay, so what I was gonna say, I told you that, okay, you know that song, it's not a song with the first verse, second verse, chorus, third verse thing, you know, that's the whole song is just in the beginning, and the rest, is it ad-libs they call that thing he just did? And he did it so perfectly. Did you hear the way? So did you hear the item? Did you hear everything and the transition and everything? Oh my God, Gabriel is gonna kill me. I'm always in awe. Like, I'm always like feeling like how awesome this is, because I have no words. Actually, I have no words. I'm always, you know, it's really very satisfying to watch. All right, so this is the first time I've heard you sing words with your whistle, right? Probably one of the rarest male voices. Definitely one of it. So that's from Shen 7977. If Mariah had a twin, lol, he's amazing. Yeah, Gally Groove. And one thing is, he's always jumping on Mariah Carey because I think he has a special kind of love for her. Yeah, I think I've read somewhere, I think a comment told me she is one of his favorite singers. I think they met as well sometimes. Yeah, I mean, they should just do something together at this point. Okay, I'm floored by Gabriel's voice on this. It's beyond good. It's way beyond any male vocalist I can think of. That's from Peter D. Oh my God, what did I just watch? Was the high voice really coming from a male singer? So freaking high. That's from Sky Lantern 5077. Yes, it's coming from a male singer, and that singer is called Gabriel. Yes, and that will be a wrap for my reaction to Fly Like a Bird. I have other Gabriel reaction on my page. You can check them out as well. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me. Thank you for watching till the end. Remember to like, remember to subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.